How to create pro videos in Capcut PC without expensive gear. First, import the video, then drag it to the timeline. Make the video clip to copy. Hide the top and mid layer and select the bottom layer clip. Go to the adjust section. Then adjust the color filter to make certain color. Now select the mid layer. Then again adjust the color filter to make another color. Now to the video section. Select mask option. Select horizontal mask. Make the horizontal line 90 degree. Use feather to smooth the border line. Now select the top layer. Go to the remove background from right side. Click on auto removal. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can create pro videos in Capcut PC without expensive gear. Thanks for watching.